Hello guys, this is a short tutorial on how to edit videos professionally with Filmora video editor. Make sure to subscribe our channel because we are planning to make a big giveaway. With that said, now let's get into the video. First of all, open Filmora editor. I'm going to explain about the features in full feature mode. In the above you can select the screen size. I'm selecting 16:9 computer screen size. After clicking the full feature mode, you will see the interface of the software. As all the other softwares you can see the file and edit icons in the top, and export and help buttons also will be there with them. Not like the other video editing softwares. There are awesome tools that can help you to create stunning videos. You can record your webcam, your computer screen, and you can add voiceover to your videos by this. When you click one of this, it will open a small window for that. With that you can do all the things I mentioned above. So, to start editing a video we should import the source first. For that click the import button. After selecting you can just click open. To add the video to the workspace, click the plus icon on the video. By clicking the double side arrow mark, you can zoom the video to fit to the workspace. Double click the video to get the edit panel of the video. Here, you can adjust the angle, contrast, brightness, speed, and duration of the video. We will come to color tuning after a while. When you click the audio button in the top right, you can get the edit panel for the audio. Here you can add effects to audio to cut the video into place. Place the line where you want to cut and click the scissor icon. To delete a part in the video, cut that part, select it and press delete. If you want to get a zoom in effect, select a part of a video and click crop and zoom button. With this you can only crop a particular part of a video, or you can add a pan and zoom effect by adding start and end screens. You can freeze only one frame by clicking freeze frame button. By clicking the power tool button, you can add advanced element and effects to your videos. You can add pixelated screen, funny faces and effects like that. The last thing is advanced color tuning. You can get a cinematic look to your video by this RGB color tuning. You can play around these settings to get the perfect finish for your video. After the basic things, you can add your own musics, texts, transitions, element, and images. Else you can download them from the store. If you don't know how to get all these effects, element and presets for free, check out my last video. You can watch it by clicking the link above now. You can add text to your video by pressing the plus icon. To customize your text, double click the text bar and click advanced settings. Here you can change your text size, color. You can add animations, shadow effects to your texts too. Simply drag and drop the transition style you like to the video. The latest version of Filmora has many new transition styles so check them out. You can use the audio mixer tool to equalize your audio. Finally click the export button to get the output video. You can output as a video file, or burn it to a disk, or else you can upload it to somewhere you want. You can adjust the video quality by changing the resolution, FPS, and bitrate. Your video size will increase when you get your output in high quality. That's all for today guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If yes, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to join our giveaway. Peace.